In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily embed a YouTube video directly within a PowerPoint presentation. So let's jump into PowerPoint and get started. For this tutorial, it's worth noting that I am using Microsoft PowerPoint 365 ProPlus. If you have a different version to what I'm using, then don't worry, as the main steps should be repeatable in earlier versions of PowerPoint. Within PowerPoint, I just have a single slide that has a background image already on it. What I want to do is insert a YouTube video so it fits within the computer monitor in the image. To insert a YouTube video, you want to click on the Insert ribbon at the top. You should then see a video button within an area called Media. Click on this, then select to insert a video from Online Video. This should open a new window. In this window, we need to paste in the URL of our desired video. To get this URL, simply head on over to the video on YouTube. For this example, I'm going to use my YouTube video on how to create a pie chart in Excel. To get the URL of the video, you can simply copy the URL at the top of your browser. Alternatively, you can click the share button, which can be found under the video itself. Then you can click the copy button to copy the short URL. If you'd prefer to have the YouTube video begin at a certain time when it is within PowerPoint, then you can click the Start At option here. Then simply enter the time in the video you want it to start at. I want to have the video play at the beginning, so I'm going to leave this option unchecked. Now with our YouTube video URL copied, head back into PowerPoint. Then simply right click on the search bar and paste the video URL. You will then see a preview of the video underneath to confirm it is the correct video. To insert the video, click the Insert button. With the video inserted, you can then move it around and resize it just like you would any other object within PowerPoint. I'll enlarge the video slightly and place it within the image of my monitor. So that's the basics of inserting a YouTube video into PowerPoint. Let me now provide you with an overview of some of the additional features you can take advantage of. With the YouTube video selected, click on the Video Format ribbon at the top. You can then choose one of PowerPoint's video styles at the top to change the frame of the video. You can also use the video effects to apply a certain effect, such as applying a drop shadow. On the far right, you can also crop the video if you want to cut out some of the player itself. Moving on to the Playback ribbon, you have three options to select from to decide how the video is to be played. There's In-Click Sequence, meaning when you click anywhere on the slide, the video will start playing. Automatically, where the video will be played as soon as the slide is shown. Or When Clicked On, which, as the name suggests, will play the video only when it is clicked on. For this example, I'll select the last option. Now let's head on over to the slideshow view to see how this looks when presented. To do this, go to Slideshow from Current Slide. As you can see, the video is loaded along with the YouTube player. If I click on the video, it will then begin to play. And there you have it. Now you know how to embed a YouTube video into PowerPoint. If you found this video useful, please leave a like. It really does help support the channel. If you've got a question, pop it down in the comments below. Also, consider subscribing for more weekly tutorials.